Hi, in this video, we will compare Pipedrive and ActiveCampaign. Pipedrive is a web-based customer relationship management software designed with sales teams in mind, particularly those in small and medium-sized businesses. It emphasizes a visual and user-friendly approach to sales pipeline management. Pipedrive organizes leads and deals using a visual pipeline metaphor. You can see all your deals at different stages of the sales process in a single view, allowing you to focus on the most important ones. Pipedrive helps you capture and qualify leads, track their interactions with your business, and nurture them into paying customers. Create stunning emails with templates and a simple drag-and-drop builder. Pipedrive provides insightful reports and dashboards that help you track your sales performance, identify trends, and forecast future revenue. Pipedrive offers a marketplace with hundreds of integrations for various third-party tools and services, allowing you to extend the functionality of Pipedrive to fit your specific needs. Pipedrive provides a 14-day free trial with each plan, and paid plan starts at $9.90 per month. On the other hand, ActiveCampaign is a software platform designed to help businesses automate their marketing and sales tasks. It's particularly well-suited for small and medium-sized businesses. Active campaigns allow you to create email campaigns, design email templates, manage your contact list, and track email performance with analytics. ActiveCampaign allows you to create automated workflows based on subscriber behavior. For instance, you can send automated welcome emails to new subscribers or follow-up emails to people who abandon their carts. Manage your sales pipeline, track deals, and automate tasks related to the sales process. Create landing pages to capture leads and grow your email list. ActiveCampaign integrates with a wide range of third-party apps, such as Shopify, WordPress, and Salesforce. It also allows you to connect your marketing and sales tools in one place. ActiveCampaign also provide a free plan and have different pricing plans, such as for marketing, sales, bundles, and transactional email. If you want to use both Pipedrive and ActiveCampaign for free, then click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching our video.